I wake up early in the morning. I wake up early in the morning. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I wash my face. I drink a glass of water. I drink a glass of water. I look out the window to enjoy the morning view. I look out the window to enjoy the morning view. I prepare breakfast for my family. I prepare breakfast for my family. I wake up the kids for school. I wake up the kids for school. I pack their lunch boxes. I pack their lunch boxes. I help the kids get ready for school. I help the kids get ready for school. I wave goodbye to them. I wave goodbye to them. I clean the dining table after breakfast. I clean the dining table after breakfast. I play soft music while I clean. I play soft music while I clean. I wash the dishes. I wash the dishes. I sweep the floors. I sweep the floors. I mop the floors. I mop the floors. I dust the furniture. I dust the furniture. I water the plants. I water the plants. I plan the meals for the day. I plan the meals for the day. I check the groceries in the kitchen. I check the groceries in the kitchen. I make a shopping list if needed. I make a shopping list if needed. I do the laundry. I do the laundry. I separate the whites and colors before washing. I separate the whites and colors before washing. I hang the clothes to dry. I hang the clothes to dry. I organize the wardrobe. I organize the wardrobe. I prepare lunch. I prepare lunch. I set the table for lunch. I set the table for lunch. I eat lunch with my husband. I eat lunch with my husband. I take a short nap. I take a short nap. I check my phone for messages or news. I check my phone for messages or news. I make a cup of tea for myself. I make a cup of tea for myself. I pick up toys or other things lying around. I pick up toys or other things lying around. I help my kids with their homework when they return. I help my kids with their homework when they return. I listen to their stories about school. I listen to their stories about school. I prepare a snack for the kids. I prepare a snack for the kids. I spend time playing with them. I spend time playing with them. I check the kitchen for dinner prep. I check the kitchen for dinner prep. I chop vegetables for dinner. I chop vegetables for dinner. I help the kids take a bath. If needed. I help the kids take a bath. If needed. I set the table for dinner. I set the table for dinner. I eat dinner with my family. I eat dinner with my family. I wash the dishes after dinner. I wash the dishes after dinner. I clean the kitchen counters. I clean the kitchen counters. I check the locks on the doors and windows. I check the locks on the doors and windows. I prepare the kids' school bags for the next day. I prepare the kids' school bags for the next day. I iron the clothes for tomorrow if needed. I iron the clothes for tomorrow if needed. I spend time talking with my husband. I spend time talking with my husband. I watch TV or read a book for relaxation. I watch TV or read a book for relaxation. I tidy up the living room before bed. I tidy up the living room before bed. I make the beds. I make the beds. I wash my face before sleeping. I wash my face before sleeping. I say a prayer or meditate before bed. I say a prayer or meditate before bed. I set the alarm for the next day. I set the alarm for the next day. I lie down and think about the day. I lie down and think about the day. I go to sleep. I go to sleep.